Welcome back to HomeGlow Studio. If you love cinematic spaces, modern architecture, and smart interior transformations, you are in the right place. Today, we are taking you on an exclusive tour of an ultra-realistic, creatively designed modern home. Make sure to hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss our weekly design inspirations. Let's step inside. We begin our tour in the entryway. A hallway shouldn't just be a walkway, it should be an experience. Notice the stunning living green wall with seamlessly embedded LED lights that give a soft, organic glow. Paired with a minimalist floating wooden bench and a beautiful isometrical mirror, this entrance instantly sets a cozy yet luxurious tone for the rest of the house. Moving into the heart of the home, the living room. The first thing that catches the eye is the custom floating cloud ceiling lamp, casting a dreamy, warm light over the luxury curved sofa. But the real masterpiece here is the hidden reading nook, beautifully carved inside a floor-to-ceiling wooden bookshelf. It's the perfect blend of functionality and artistic design. Next up is a kitchen designed for the future. Look at this massive marble island with sleek integrated lighting. What makes this space incredibly creative is the hidden smart pantry. With a simple touch, the seamless marble wall panels slide open to reveal a perfectly organized storage oasis. It keeps the kitchen looking clean, minimalist, and ultra sleek. If you are enjoying this tour so far and getting ideas for your own space, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, join the HomeGlow Studio family by subscribing to our channel for more breathtaking home transformations. Now, let's step into the master bedroom, a true sanctuary. The bed frame features a floating design with warm underbed LED strip lighting, creating an illusion of weightlessness. To add to the magic, a subtle star galaxy projector effect on the ceiling turns every night into a cinematic experience. It's cozy, smart, and deeply relaxing. We conclude our tour in the spa-like bathroom Oasis. A freestanding stone bathtub sits beautifully on a bed of smooth white river pebbles, illuminated by soft floor lighting. Above the waterfall shower, A custom skylight allows natural daylight to pour in, turning a daily routine into a luxurious retreat. Which creative feature of this home tour was your absolute favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for supporting HomeGlow Studio. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design masterclasses. See you in the next video.